So now what I'm going to show you guys is how I'm going to customize this. Now this one is just a moon-shaped frontal. It has no body, no shape, no anything. Now obviously you guys can see there's like a little bit of a frosty cast from the Got To Be glue, but that's going to be easy to fix. One thing I want to mention is make sure you get the correct cap color because that's going to be a major issue. I did not have a cap, so what I had to do was manipulate this cap to make it look like my under skin tone. Now with this one, I did not bleach this unit, I did not tint it. I just tried to customize this with the least amount of products to get a finished look. So basically what I'm going to do is customize this one. Yes, it is apparent that you can see the cap underneath, but don't worry guys, I'm going to kind of blend it off with some Maybelline Fit Me powder just so that it disappears so you guys don't see the line. So before you guys get your panties in a bunch, continue to watch this video and see the end result.
What they dream of sometimes it's not a good thing, but I'm blind. I love hard with everything, giving my all more than they. I took my friends' advice this time. I do it differently. Maybe we'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky car. Maybe we'll meet at a club.
So as I mentioned, I'm going in now with my Maybelline Fit Me number 360 pressed powder. So obviously you guys saw that there's a huge line of demarcation where the cap is at, and then you could see that unrealistic look of that shiny Got To Be glue. So what I'm going to do now is just press this into the lace so that I can disguise that weird line of demarcation. Now this powder works very good. You can go ahead and tint the frontal if you want, or you can do anything else you want. But for those out there that don't know how to tint and don't know how to do all that kind of stuff, this is an easy method to kind of hide those grids and hide any imperfections. People, so this is the final look of this hair. So I did kind of wait a little bit, like at least 2 days to come back and give you guys a hair review. So I did glue this unit down using just the Got To Be glue method. This unit is pretty freaking secure on my head. Honestly, I didn't even glue the back down, but I will turn around and show you guys what this looks like in a high ponytail, high bun. This is a full lace wig, so it's pretty much undetectable in the back. You don't even have to add glue in the back. All you have to do is grab some bobby pins and go ahead and cover and tuck, and then you're all set. Now this one is a pretty unit just because I didn't have to customize this one. This did come in this ash blonde tone look right here. So it's definitely a little bit more ashier toned, kind of like a grayish tone in the top part right here. Towards the ends, you'll get kind of like a mix of like a 613 mixed with like kind of like an ash tone, like light ash or medium ash blonde. So I do think that this is nice. The best part is I didn't have to go in and customize it myself. It did come about like 18 inches long, so it's not super duper long. I do like that golden kind of look against my skin complexion. I think that it looks good. It works well together. Other than that, I didn't really receive any shedding or tangling from this hair. It's pretty soft. It's about like a silky straight texture, so therefore it's not going to give you a lot of issues. You guys already know how I feel about like blonde baby hairs. They could be kind of annoying. I did not bleach or tint this lace, so I just used my Maybelline Fit Me 360 mocha powder just to kind of tint it myself with the powder, so you can see how tinted it looks in the parting space. This is a full lace wig, guys, so you can party just about anywhere. You could do just about any hairstyle with this one. It all is going to look good. All is going to look pretty natural. With this one, I like to keep it in side part styles. I like to wear it in a ponytail and do stuff like that just because it does look pretty realistic, so you can kind of get away with a lot of stuff. And you guys can see I'm just running my hands through it. Nothing's lifting, nothing's going pretty sideways or anything like that. So everything is pretty good, pretty well done and in place. So that's one thing I'm definitely feeling about this hair. So that basically wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you want to purchase this unit from WowAfrican. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.